Hello travelers, how are you today? Today I'm gonna show you 3 websites who I truly trust when I'm traveling.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed.
Most important when you travel is to get prepared, to make sure you get the best experience, the best vacation of your dreams. So it means some research. The first website is Skyscanner. I love that website. We are lucky to finally have the cheapest flights on internet. That means it takes time. It takes time to make your own research, to compare the flights. Try during the morning, but don't do this on weekends to make sure you got the best deal. Second website, Tripadvisor. I'm so lucky that website does exist. It helped me so much to find the awesome activities. And when you travel alone, you want to make sure you are busy. Visit museum, visit monuments, visit garden. I love to visit garden. It's always wonderful. Make a river cruise. Why not? Take the bus to visit the city and to have awesome stories. And the third and last one, booking.com. When you travel, you want to make sure to have somewhere to sleep. I love personally to sleep on hotels, and because of that website, I can have an hotels on my budget, what I'm looking for, to be very comfortable during my stay, and to make sure to have the best location of the activities I just want to do. Link every website on the description down below. I will see you next week for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, put a thumbs up, hit the bell, and I will see you soon. Bye bye, have a nice day.